Okay. Again, guys, if you're in an area where there's any kind of background noise, please just mute yourselves out and then ask your questions. I'm actually going to make you guys un- mute you guys all out. So you may have to raise your hands if you have a question to ask me when I'm done with the presentation. So, all right, guys, starting all over again, the joys of being a leader. Oh my God, Lord, thank you. Guys, my name is King. I'm coming out of the DFW area. I want to welcome you to our Tuesday night business opportunity presentation. And when we're done, I want you guys to, if you have any questions, raise your hands in the app and ask me a question and I'll answer them. We have some individuals here with us this evening also who have done really well with our company. And so I'm going to have you guys hear testimonies from a few of them at the end of the presentation. But I'm glad that you joined us. Sorry for the technical difficulty. You know, technology is a beautiful thing, but sometimes it acts up, like tonight, okay? So I'm glad that we got that fixed. So today we're going to be talking about Tranant. Um, for those of you who like to do research, when we're done, go to tranant.com or go to whoever put you on this website, our webinar, on this webinar's website, and do your research. But in the next 40 or 45 minutes, I'm going to give you enough information for you to make an informed decision if this is for you or not. Um, Prior to doing Tranant, I worked in the IT field as a database administrator for Wells Fargo Bank. It was a good job, but I was looking to supplement my income after having my son. I needed to be able to pay for daycare, and a home-based business opportunity came my way. I took advantage, and the rest, as they say, is history. I was with that company for 12 years. I resigned in March of 2017, and I started with Trenon again in February of this year. It's been an amazing journey so far. For those of you who are looking at this for the first time, you are going to see why I am so excited about Trinant and why whoever put you on this webinar is equally very excited about Trinant. Because of the pandemic, I think that right now conversations around health and wellness is a top priority for many of us. So we like to call our presentation, Your Health is Your True Wealth. And I know many of you would agree. Now, besides the corona that's ravaging the whole world, there's some other issues, some other global issues that people deal with, millions of people actually on a daily basis. 74% of Americans want and need better digestive health. I'm actually going to say 74% of the world wants and needs better digestive health. And the medical people would tell us that your gut or your stomach area is like your second brain. If it's healthy, your overall health and wellness would be good. And every time I think about that stat, I go back to being a young girl growing up in Africa and what our parents used to do. Every month, they would give us enemas. So they understood the significance of your gut area being your second brain. Also, 7 out of 10 people you and I know live with some kind of pain every single day. The back pain, the knee pain, the shoulder pain, the waist pain, right? They're dealing with that every single day. That is a pandemic that's happening all over the world. And I'm excited about Trinant because our portfolio, as you see here in the next few slides, is very relevant as far as these global issues go. The third stats up here, ladies and gentlemen, concerns me, and it should concern all of you because I know that 80% of us on this webinar tonight have children, or if not, we do have nieces and nephews. New England Journal of Medicine back in 2005 predicted that our children may not outlive us. So if you're like me, you're wondering how we got to a point where even with all the advances in technology and in medicine, we're predicting that this generation will not outlive us. Well, if you think about it deeply, you can see why. Because of our diets, right? Because of the food that our children are putting into their bodies these days. If your kids are anything like mine, you know they live off of fast foods, right? The hamburgers, the pizzas, the junk food. You know, that's what they live off of. Confucius said that food should be our medicine. Every time that you go to eat something, you should ask yourself, am I eating to live or am I living to eat? right? But when you look at what we eat these days, it's not really intended to nourish our bodies. So no wonder the prediction that this generation may not outlive us. Okay, so for World War II, after World War II, that's when we introduced this whole process concept of processed foods and fast foods and canned foods into our diet. Before that time, many of us on this webinar ate organic. We ate plant-based food. We grew our own vegetables, our own uh, fruits. Most of our animals were grass-fed. Now, when you talk about eating organic, plant-based diets, people look at you as being bougie. But whereas that's how we were in back in the days, and because of that, we were generally healthy. And then in the 50s, we started spraying the soils with the pesticides and the fungicides when we started trying to mass produce everything. Well, we got what we wanted, except that the chemicals started depleting the soil of its nutrients. And so the crops that we started harvesting from that point onwards, when mass agriculture became popular, was lacking in essential minerals that were intended to nourish our bodies. So what did we do, guys? We came up with the concept of genetically modified food. Now, every time that you're trying to supplement something, modify something, it's because the existing thing is not working. So when you think about the concept of taking supplements, vitamins, they became really popular in the 90s, right? But do you know that 95% of all the vitamins sold on counter shelves across the globe today are synthetic? Meaning that it is lacking in the natural form of the supplement that you were trying to get. And I know many of us on this webinar do vitamin C's, we take vitamin D, vitamin E, the calcium, the potassium. Well, it's synthetic. So it's something foreign. They're called isolates because we fabricate them in the lab. So if you're taking any one of those, well, guess what? Your body is still trying to use up its natural reserves and then struggling to break down these synthetic supplements that you're piling into your body. So over time, it just defeats the purpose, right? If you take vitamin C, for instance, vitamin C over the counter is ascorbic acid, which is very different from the way God intended it to be from an orange, the phytonutrients. Okay, so enters Trenon. I'm sure you're going to say, King, how does this conversation tie in with Trenon? Well, I'm glad you asked because one of the number one reasons that I decided to partner with Trenon when I saw the portfolio back in February is because we have a clean, plant-based, organic line of products. So Trenon was founded in 2013. They're already a $50 million debt-free company. That is huge, ladies and gentlemen, because the Small Business Administration says that 95% of businesses will go out of business in the first year. And the 5% that manage to make it past a year, it takes them about 3 to 5 years to break even, meaning to get back the money that they invested in the business in the first place. So Trenon, being 7 years old, already $50 million debt free, for me was a big check mark. And for those of you who are entrepreneurs on this webinar, that should get you very excited. But not only that, Trenon has already been featured in the Inc. 500 as one of the fastest growing privately held companies in America. So every year they track all these companies and come up with a list. Trenon made the list in 2018, in 2019, and I'm sure they'll make it again this year. The mission for this company is to impact 1 billion lives worldwide through its product portfolio and also through all of us as associates partnered with the company. And they're not just talking about this, they actually track how many lives have been impacted through our portfolio. As of today, more than 3 million lives have been impacted through our Lift Where You Live nonprofit organization. Trenon is a health and wealth education company. So in the next couple of slides, I'm going to share with you our health portfolio. And then I'll go into our wealth services portfolio. And then I'll tell you the opportunity here in Trenon and also share with you how you can partner with us if you're looking to build a legacy for you and your family. currently headquartered in Salt Lake City, Utah. So we have some footprints in the US. But ladies and gentlemen, what we're talking about here this evening, let me let you know that 99.9% of Americans have no clue. This conversation here is pretty much like being privy to being in the room when Bill Gates was talking about starting Microsoft, or when Steve Jobs, God bless his soul, was talking about Apple. You're at the right place at the right time, and what you do with the information after today is totally up to you. We also have footprints in Canada, but the company is officially about to launch into Canada in the next 60 to 90 days. And we also launched in India back in April, and that company is doing really well. Trenon has the intention to expand globally next year. And just from being privy to information, we're looking to expand into 3 other countries in 3 continents next year. So you're looking at a US based company with a global opportunity unfolding. And again, you and I are one of the first people to hear about this. So here's what I want you to ask yourself as I go deeper into our presentation. When this company becomes a global powerhouse, how many people in how many countries would have become a Trenon associate because you choose to get started today? Okay, so Trenon has a very diversified health and wellness portfolio. We have 4 lines of products in that portfolio. We have a line of all plant-based, organic, clean, natural supplements. We have a line of healthy, organic chocolate, coffee, and creamer line called Mojo. We also have a line of whole flower hemp CBD products, and also a beauty and anti-aging line. So the portfolio, like I've said before, is really very relevant to all of those global issues that I shared with you at the beginning of this presentation. We have products that can help with your gut area. We have products that can help to with you nourish your brain, and we also have products that are just good to nourish your entire body. Okay, so when you're talking about that gut area being a big pandemic or a big issue, remember that the medical people say that your gut is like your second brain. Well, what you and I didn't know, or what I didn't even know up until now, is that your gut, if your gut is generally healthy, there's some good gut bacteria that we need to have in our bodies. I remember the first time I walked into a health food store, my local one was called Roots back in Maryland. And the woman was talking about healthy bacteria. I was like, what is she talking about? And she said, have you ever heard about probiotics? You should be taking this every single day because it's good, healthy bacteria to keep your gut area healthy. I was like, oh, wow. Well, now I can make the correlation between if your gut area is healthy and your mood. It literally affects how you feel. Okay, so I want you to think about food. So all plant-based natural foods, right, like the apple that you see up here, they have enzymes in them. The way, I mean, God is amazing. The way the whole universe is structured, if you understand it, you can live a long and healthy lifestyle. Do you know that an apple is coated with stuff, right? These enzymes, they're in the apple. As soon as you bite into that apple, that's a signal for the apple to start breaking, the enzymes to start breaking down the apple so that your body can easily absorb the nutrients from it. Okay. And then, of course, what it doesn't need, it eliminates. So all organic, fresh, and living foods, they have enzymes. That's why people who are on a raw diet are generally healthy. Okay. But guess what? Right now, you and I overcook our foods. Every time you cook food beyond 118 degrees, you kill all the life enzymes in the food. And that's why when you and I eat like the apple pie that you see up there, or the pizza or the hamburger, you feel like going to sleep because there are no enzymes there to naturally break it down. So your body has to work overtime or triple time to break down this food. So our plant-based organic supplements line has 4 products. The number one bestseller in our line of supplements is Life Enzyme Blend. It is a blend of pre and probiotic enzymes that are great for your gut area. Again, I keep taking you back to the beginning, saying 74% of Americans want and need better digestive health. So Life Enzyme here is no wonder that it's the number one bestseller in our product portfolio because it helps to enhance your life. So you can take anywhere from 1 to 4 capsules with every meal. And what it does is it breaks down whatever we eat so that your body can easily absorb what it needs from it and then releases what it doesn't need. People who are taking this are finding out that it's helping with things like acid reflux. In my case, that was what sold me. I'd been on prescription omeprazole since August of 2015. Every single day, I took 20 milligrams omeprazole. I tried this in February when I visited the corporate office in Utah to see if this was a viable opportunity, and the rest is history. The last time I took omeprazole was last week, and that was only because I changed my auto ship to come to Texas because I was moving to Dallas, and then I ran out of my supplements, my Life Enzymes at home. So I remembered I had about 5 omeprazole capsules left before I started Life Enzyme back in February, and that was what I took. But guess what? Since February, I've been taking my Life Enzyme blend with every single meal. Again, we're not prescribing any medication. None of our products is intended to cure, treat, or diagnose anything. It's a line of supplements. But so many people are getting great results just from taking our food. Life Enzyme is also very relevant for people who deal with food allergies. Okay, we have a lactose enzyme here that helps to break down lactose. So for people that are allergic to dairy, to lactose, people who are lactose intolerant, right? So just by taking this, I know some people who could not eat ice cream or any milk related products that can now eat ice cream and not have to go to the bathroom or get a terrible reaction. Why? Because Life Enzyme Blend has the enzyme that breaks down the lactose that is occurring in these dairy products. It also supports a healthy digestion. I already told you that when you cook your food, you kill all the enzymes. So this also helps to break it down so you don't feel sluggish, you don't feel sleepy. I'll tell you guys something very funny that happened to me last week, right? I had a drink, and because I was out of life, I had a horrible hangover the next day. Well, fast forward, when I got my Life Enzyme, I took 4 of them, went out with my cousin. We had a really good time this Saturday. And I woke up the next morning with no hangover. I just felt tired. So it also helps to break down if you're somebody who goes out drinking. This is a good one. I just gave you a free tip. We also have people that are getting relief from indigestion, and also it helps people to lose weight. Okay. Well, it supports the weight loss process. Next is balance. Our balance is a blend of multi-minerals, vitamins, antioxidants, amino acids that are really good for your body. I used to take one a day, women, prior to now, but I've since replaced that with balance. Why? Because it's all natural, plant-based, clean supplement. Balance works really well with our Life Enzyme blend. We actually call them our foundation products. So I took one of these, women, because I wanted to be in great health. So balance helps to bring your body back into balance, into a state of homeostasis. And if your body is in balance, in a state of homeostasis, your body has the ability to fight infection and even regulate and even heal itself. So a balance is good for bringing your body back into balance. It's also good for protection at a cellular level. Now that's very important, okay, because everything starts from a cellular level in our bodies. This formulation is also great for healing and for growth. And in combination with the Life Enzyme blend, it aids in digestion and also in boosting your metabolism. Now, I know many of you on this webinar deal with bloating issues, right? All of us, especially as we're getting older, we bloat easily from certain foods, right? Like when I eat beans, oh my gosh, my stomach is just as bloated as it can be. So balance also helps with that. Your overall health and wellness, with boosting your immune system, immunity, and also helps for you to absorb your food better and to respond better to stress. Next is Vibe. Okay, I know many of you in here like vibing and thriving. So if you're feeling weak, tired, sluggish, just out of it, cannot get out of bed, if you struggle with focus, with concentration, with memory issues, you know, Vibe is your go-to. That's why we call it Vibe. Our names will pretty much tell you what our supplements do. Okay. My son is a freshman in college. This is his absolute favorite supplement in our portfolio. I don't take it as much as he does. I love my life and balance, but my son swears by Vibe. That's the one thing he will not do without. I have it on auto ship for him because it helps him with his memory, his focus, with concentration. One of the main ingredients in Vibe that makes it really, really good is lion's mane mushroom. I want you guys, when we're done, to go to Dr. Google and just Google lion's mane mushroom and see the benefits of that one ingredient alone that is in our Vibe supplement. It also helps to support brain function and just gives you energy because it has your B complex vitamins infused in that. And then last on that list is Restore. Restore is for anything recovery and support. This has to be one of my favorite in our line of supplements. I think my two favorites are Life and Restore. Restore because of two reasons. It has two active ingredients here that make this supplement very, very relevant right now: a zinc and turmeric. Now, with the pandemic, you know that all healthcare providers across the globe encouraged us to add zinc to our supplements. Well, that's because zinc helps to boost and support a healthy immune system. Now, that's one of the active ingredients here. Now, if your gut area is a primary cause of concern in your body, the other culprit is inflammation. And if you go again to Dr. Google and Google the benefits of turmeric, turmeric is a very good anti-inflammatory. So Restore supports digestive breakdown of high protein diets when you take it with your meal. So it helps to break down the protein in your diet. And I don't know if you talk to most people like my mother who have arthritis, sometimes, and even people who work out a lot like athletes, the pain that you feel in your joints is because of a buildup of protein in there. So Restore helps to break it down. It also provides full body energy, I mean, a full body energy boost to you, and it helps to optimize oxygen flow throughout your body and also recovery support when you take it between meal. I always say that if you're taking it as a immune system booster and to recover, say, from a workout or anything like that, take it 1 hour before or 1 hour after meal. So literally on an empty stomach. When you do, you might feel that little thing, like your stomach is upset, like, you know, the nausea thing, but it won't last for too long. In my experience, it lasts for like 5 minutes and then it's gone. So people who work out, this is a very good supplement. My son loves this because he's an athlete. So it's a good post-workout supplement just because of the anti-inflammatory properties. So Restore, again, is good for anything recovery and support. About 6 weeks ago, I was coming down with a post-nasal drip and fever. I just started taking two morning, two afternoon, two evening, away from meal. And literally by the next morning, I was fine. Okay. I had a friend who had surgery and I recommended that she takes four on the first day of the surgery, four, 3 times a day. And then she went to three times a day. And then she went to two, and then the regular one a day, 3 times a day. So that's our line of healthy, clean, plant-based, organic supplements. Now, I know that many of you are looking at this and going, nootropics, what are those? Well, I have to tell you, when V and I walked through this slide, I was like, V, what is nootropics? I actually call it nootropics, and she burst out laughing. Well, they are brain boosters, okay? They work by protecting neurons in your brain from becoming damaged by toxins and as we age. You know, as we're getting older and as we're putting all these strange things in our bodies, some brain, some functionalities start depleting or they become damaged. So the nootropics are like brain boosters. You know, they stimulate neurons and an increase in blood and oxygen flow to your brain so that you can be alert, you can think, and you can do stuff. Well, how does that relate to what we're talking about here? Because of our coffee line, okay, our Mojo coffee and chocolate line. It is infused with this nootropics that are great for your brain health. Remember, I said we had products that were good with the gut health. That was our supplements, plant-based supplements line. And then we have products that are great for your brain. Well, the Mojo coffee and chocolate line is great for that. All natural, supercharged coffee and chocolate drink with 190 milligrams of natural caffeine and amino acids per serving. So we have them, they come in the canister and in the sachets. The canister has 30 servings, and the box of sachets has 30 sachets in it. Okay. The Mojo line helps to boost your energy, burn calorie, improves your mood. And let me tell you something. For those of you who are coffee lovers, this is by far one of the best coffees out there. And I've been a coffee lover all my life. My entire family has been coffee lovers all of our life. So we know good coffee when we see it or when we taste it. This right here, not always is the aroma great. It actually tastes great, and it helps, to boost your energy, your mood, and your focus. But guess what? Most times when people, I'm just going to digress, when people are trying to lose weight, for instance, right, they starve themselves, and you start to feel tired because you're not eating, or maybe you've burned too much calories. And if you're like me, you go, forget this, I'm just going to go eat. Well, the Mojo coffee helps to curb your appetite and also keeps you alert. So even though you are not eating, you don't feel weak and tired and sluggish because you have this boost of natural energy. It's not like taking caffeine where you're going to be jittery and shaky, and after a while you have like this withdrawal syndrome going on. No, this is all natural. I have never felt like I'm shaking from taking a Mojo coffee. And for those of you who normally maybe do 3 or 4 cups of coffee, you're going to find out that you only need 1 cup to last you for almost all through the day. As a matter of fact, we ask that you take it in the morning and not in the evenings, okay? Because it can keep you awake. But for those of you who work night shifts, this will be a great addition for you before you go to work, because it's going to keep you up, alert, and healthy, okay? And then we have our creamer. I love the creamer. Let me tell you, I want you to also Google MCT oils, okay? I want you to Google MCT oils. MCT oils are medium chain triglycerides. They occur naturally in extra virgin coconut oil. Now, if you're used to health and wellness, people that are really about like all natural stuff, you probably already heard about MCT oil. They always encourage you, because it occurs in extra virgin coconut oil, they always encourage you to take 1 teaspoon extra virgin coconut oil after you eat. Why? Because it helps to burn down fat. Okay, so this is the healthy fat. Because people, when I first heard about it, I was like, wait, why should I be taking coconut oil? It's like fat, it's oily, but it's good fat. Okay, it's very good for your brain and also for your bodies. Now, our Mojo creamer has the MCT oils that helps to burn the fat. So most people always ask us about, do you have something to help me with support my weight loss process? Again, we're not prescribing anything. That's for your doctors to do. We're just sharing with you what has worked for people. And you can try it and play with the serving until you find the serving that works for you. In our case, we always recommend that you take the Life Enzyme Blend to clean out your gut area, the Balance to replenish your body with the vitamins, multiminerals, and antioxidants that it needs. And then if you drink coffee, we recommend the coffee and the creamer to burn the fat. Now, for those of you who are adverse to caffeine, we recommend Life, Balance, the chocolate, and the creamer, okay? Then we have a line of beauty and anti-aging products. I know that every woman on this webinar wants to be 100 years old and still feel like they're in their 20s and 30s. Well, we got products that can help you take care of that. I like Tronon's approach because they look at beauty as an inside job. So it starts from within, okay? So Collagen, if you're talking about beauty and anti-aging, ladies and gentlemen, collagen has to be big in your mind, okay? Collagen is the most abundant protein in our bodies, especially type 1 collagen. Now, you find it in your muscles, in your bones, in your skin, your blood vessels, your digestive system, and also in your tendons. Okay. Collagen is great for building lean muscle mass. Now, think about as we age, we lose lean muscle mass, especially women. We lose it faster than the men. That's why my grandmother shrunk faster than my grandfather when I come to think about it right now. So if you're looking to age gracefully, without losing your lean muscle mass, you have to start taking collagen ASAP. And we have the best collagen, as I will share with you, because remember, the most abundant type of collagen in your body is type 1 collagen, okay? Collagen is also great for repairing joints. It's good for your hair, your skin, your nails, just liver health, cardiovascular health, collagen, and more collagen. People who work out a lot, they need collagen to build that lean muscle mass that they need, okay? So, of course, as we age, the collagen production in our bodies decline, like I just shared with you, for several reasons. If you eat a lot of sugary foods, start paying attention. I'm very guilty because I am the queen of sweet tooth, okay? So it also helps to reduce our collagen production in the body. Overexposure to the sun also reduces that. That's why they always encourage you to do the sunscreen, okay? And those of us who smoke, right, it's also bad. It helps to deplete, your collagen reserves. So we have Glow, which is our type 1 hydrolyzed collagen infused with 14 superfood anti-botanicals. I love it, okay? I already told you all the benefits of collagen, but the key thing to note here is that ours is a type 1 hydrolyzed collagen that is infused with 14 superfood antioxidant botanicals. Again, go to Dr. Google and just Google superfoods so you understand the magnitude of what we have here. This was formulated by a medical doctor for his cancer patients. Of course, they were losing lean muscle mass because of cancer and going through chemo. He sells this to hospitals for $600 a bottle. Trenon has the exclusive distribution right. We private labeled it, called it Glow. We have 2 flavors, strawberry banana and orange cream. And we only sell it for $45 a bottle. And each bottle will last you a whole month. Again, you can take it directly. All you need is 2 tablespoons a day. So you can take it directly. You can add it to your smoothie, to water, to juice, and you're good to go. But ladies, trust me on this one. If you're trying to age gracefully and maintain your skin's elasticity, the hydration, reduce wrinkles, keep your hair, your skin, your nails intact, you really want to start taking this every single day. In our portfolio, my favorites are the Life Enzyme Blend, Restore, and I will not go a day without my Glow because I intend to be 91 years old and look like I'm 21. Now, when you're talking about beauty and anti-aging, most of us know about the significance of vitamin E, right? At least I didn't know how significant collagen was until now. I just started taking it. I jokingly say I'm 15 years late, but now I'm going to be on it forever. But vitamin E, at least most of us know. But the good thing about our blend called Radiant is that it is 50 times more potent than your regular vitamin E that you will buy over the counter. Okay, so vitamin E is again great for aging. It helps with the aging process. It boosts your antioxidant protection. It supports healthy cellular function in your body, also healthy immune function in your body, and just promotes longevity, wellness, and vitality. This was formulated by Dr. Barry Tan. He's one of the foremost vitamin E experts up in Boston, Massachusetts. And this formula right here is not just about the vitamin E. It's also great for cellular repair and rejuvenation. So you can head on to his website, drbarrytan.com, and see how this helps at a cellular level to repair damaged tissues and forms a protective coat around them to make your body age gracefully and also looking radiant. Of course, when you talk about the whole aging process, we're not going to leave out your heart, right? In order for you to be even in top health, you need oxygen rich blood flowing through your body. Okay, you need, I want you guys to remember this, oxygen rich blood flowing throughout your body. So our third product when it comes to beauty and anti-aging is TechnoBoost. This right here is a big deal. Why? Because of one main ingredient, nitric oxide. Many of you probably already know the importance of nitric oxide. So the diagram, I like this diagram because it really shows you what happens in your arteries inside our bodies. So if you see when you're in your 20s, right, your body has like 100% of its nitric oxide. So it's functioning normally. That's why little children have so much energy. They drive you crazy. They can run around like crazy in the way you out, right? So that's because it's still at 100%, the nitric oxide that gives you, nitric oxide helps to improve blood circulation throughout your body. So theirs is functioning fine. It's going through the arteries and all when you're in your 20s. But as you're aging, you start to lose nitric oxide. Okay. So by your 30s, it's down to like 80% nitric oxide. You know, your artery walls start to thicken, right? Just because of doing life, your diet, what you're eating, and all of that. By your 40s, it's down to 50%. Okay, inflammation starts to happen, plaque buildup starts to happen, right? So your artery slowly starts to close up, cholesterol starts to pile up there. There's just so many different things that happen. In your 50s, you know, it starts to stiffen, calcium starts to build up there. I mean, all of us have parents at this point that, you know, they're dealing with all of these issues that I'm telling you. So what TechnoBoost does, because of the nitric oxide in TechnoBoost, it increases better circulation throughout your body. So because of that, it improves your blood pressure. I've even heard that it's great for people with autoimmune conditions like lupus. I didn't even know that. I kept talking about this for better blood flow, increased blood flow. And my friend who is dealing with that called me and she was like, oh, I hear you talk about one of your products has nitric oxide. They've asked me to try it out because I'm dealing with lupus. So it helps with those conditions because it's all thickening of the arterial wall, right? Or clogging of that wall, like things that are happening in your arteries that's preventing blood from flowing. And remember, oxygen-rich blood from flowing through your arteries into your heart and all over your body. So TechnoBoost is also a great pre-workout supplement because of that. That's another one of my son's favorites because he's an athlete. So for those of you that know people that work out a lot, this would be a good pre-workout supplement, and Restore would be a good post-workout supplement for them, okay? And then for men, that's the number one bestseller in our portfolio because it helps to promote healthy sexual performance for men, in addition to lowering blood pressure, okay? Now, last, we have our whole flower hemp CBD line of products. Now, when we say CBD, CBD stands for cannabinoids. It is one of the compounds that can be extracted from the hemp plant. Now, many people have shied away from trying CBD because you're thinking, oh my gosh, hemp plant king, weed, it's a problem. No, it's not. CBD does not get you high. The thing in the hemp plant that gets you high is the THC, okay? That's the compound in the hemp plant that gets you high. CBD does not make you high. It actually has a lot of benefits in your body, okay? How does that work? Inside of the human body, we have the endocannabinoid system. So I think the name gives it away. Endo means from within, cannabinoid, CBD, okay? So when you take CBD, it goes and binds with CBD receptors that are scattered all over your body. And so you get the homeostatic effect that CBD brings to the body. So in your body, there are CB1 receptors and CB2 receptors that are a part of that endocannabinoid system. Let me tell you, another reason why many people have not tried CBD is because when they hear that it helps with pain, arthritis, inflammation, when they hear that it helps with fibromyalgia or lupus, when they hear that it helps with PTSD, stress, when they hear that it's good for all of these different things, people go, wait, how can one thing help with so many different things? So they don't even try it, in addition to the fact that, oh, they think it's going to get them high. Well, the reason why CBD helps with so many seemingly different things is because of these receptors that are a part of the endocannabinoid system that are scattered all over your body. Look at CB1 receptors, for instance, right? They are found in areas of your appetite, your immune cells, your motor activity, your motor coordination. They are found around pain perception and also your short-term memory, right? And thinking. Okay, now the CB2 receptors are scattered around your adipose tissue, your bone, your cardiovascular and central nervous system. You also have CB2 receptors in your eyes, right? In your gut, in your immune system, in the kidneys. You have CB2 receptors in your liver, your pancreas, your reproductive system, your respiratory tract, so like almost everywhere. So when you take CBD, what happens is it goes and binds with these receptors. And if you remember anything from your biology or human biology class, it helps to really activate this receptors. And so when it does, it gets your body into a state of homeostasis. So it regulates your nervous, endocannabinoid, and immune system. Okay, so these are the major systems that are impacted directly by taking CBD in your body. Controls your hormonal system, your nervous system, and your immune system. Let me tell you something. Many people, like I say, have not tried CBD because they think it's going to get them crazy. But for those of us who know about the benefits of CBD, I take my CBD every single day, just like I take vitamins, because there are several other studies that have shown the benefits of CBD to the body. Okay, so we have 3 types of CBD. Ours is whole flower, it's water compatible, and it's very cost effective. Okay, so we have 3 types. We have Soothe, which is a water soluble fluid, 100 drops in that little bottle. So if you take just 2 drops a day, for instance, at night because you want to sleep, that can last you a whole month. If you take it 2 times a day, that can last you, if you take it twice a day, it can last you 50 days. And if you take it morning and evening, it can last you a whole month. Now, because of the method of absorption, meaning you either take 2 drops, lick it directly behind the palm of your hands, in water or in juice, it takes a longer time for it to go through your body. And when I say longer, I mean about 10 to 15 minutes to feel the effect. Serene, on the other hand, is a spray. You spray it inside of your cheeks and under your tongue. Because of that method of administration, it goes straight into your bloodstream. So Serene is good if you want immediate results. So I have anxieties, especially around heights. I always have Serene with me before every takeoff because I spray it in my mouth, it goes straight into my bloodstream, and within a minute or 2, I feel calm, okay? And then Relief is a muscle rub. You can apply it directly to the knee, the ankle, the waist, the back, wherever you feel the pain. So that's our health and wellness portfolio. Again, 4 lines of products that are very, very relevant. I mean, just looking at that portfolio, the people in here who are just going to gravitate towards selling collagen or just taking collagen. Collagen alone is $1 billion industry. Some of you are going to gravitate toward the Life Enzyme Blend. Probiotics and prebiotic and gut health itself alone, $1 billion industry. So very diversified portfolio. Coffee, by God, that's the most favorite beverage all over the world after water. There are billions of dollars. So some of you are only going to come in here and fall in love with selling the coffee line. Great. And then there are many of you who know what's happening with CBD. Projections is that it's going to be worth $30 billion in the next 2 years. So some people in here are going to just want to gravitate toward CBD. So very, very diversified portfolio with something in it for everyone. But that's not the only thing that got me fired up with Trenon. We also have a wealth services portfolio. A lot of services in our portfolio. So I'm not going to go through all of them. I'm just going to push you back to whoever put you on this webinar's website. So when you go there, click on that Shop Health, and you're going to see a lot more information, list of ingredients, everything about the wealth health products that I just went through. But click on that Shop Wealth, and you're going to see a whole list of wealth services that this company has to offer. But the ones that I love is what I have here on the screen. We have a wealth services portfolio that's really good. My favorite is the credit services. Tranont is partnered with National Credit Care. They are the second largest credit solutions company in America. So because of that partnership, Afia, we can help ourselves and our family members and our friends to fix their credit, establish credit, dispute stuff from their credit, anything credit related, Amy, we can help them. Okay. When I say we, Amy, I don't mean us. I mean that all they need to do is go through our website, click on Shop Wealth, register for that service, and someone, an expert, a credit solutions expert from National Credit Care will call them and take it from there, and you just get the credit, Amy. Okay. Next, my favorite is life insurance. That's the second one. I love it, Angela. So Tranont is partnered with about 40 companies, life insurance providers across the country. So through them, we can sell life insurance to our loved ones. Now, of course, before you sell life insurance, you have to be certified. So if you go directly through Exam FX, it's $330. But through Tranont Life, we only pay $69. Take your certification. Once you pass it, Corinne, then you can apply for the life insurance license in your state. So let's say, Corinne, you're in Texas. If you want to go sell life insurance to Doris in New York, you'd also have to apply for the New York license, okay? So I also love that. So think about it this way, people. There's some people who are going to come into our portfolio and don't care about the health and wellness side of Tranont. All they'll be interested in is the services side. And even in the services side, there'll be some people who are only interested in credit solutions. And there'll be other people who are only interested in life insurance, trillion-dollar industry by itself, okay? We also do offer legal services. Tranont is partnered with a Guardian Law. They're a group of attorneys who help people with anything that is related to starting and running a business. So legal services on the services side of starting and running a business. They can also help you with estate planning. They can also help you with wills, living trust, just anything on that legal side when it comes to starting or running a business and managing your wealth and your portfolio. So again, I like it, Frida, because we don't have to be the experts. As a matter of fact, Gifty, I know nothing about all of these things. All I know is I let my friends and family members know that I offer these services. Every one of you who becomes an associate gets a personal website that's a replica of the company's website. So when customers go there and pick one of the services, an expert from the companies, from these companies call them and work with them, but they know that you were referred to, the customer was referred to them by you. So Frida, so you get a commission every month as long as they maintain the services. We also offer tax services, ID theft and protection, and a whole lot more. Merchant processing is also one of my favorite ones. We also can offer a merchant with all that they need to run their businesses. So that's our portfolio. I know that it is very robust, very, very lucrative, but I know that the only reason why you're here with me, Harry, why you're here, Gwen, is because you want to know how this helps you and your family, right? That was me too. I was like, okay, Tranont, I love your portfolio, but what is in this for me? So that's the easy part of my presentation this evening. I like to take time in the portfolio because if you understand the portfolio, the making money part is the easy part, okay? So whoever put you on this webinar, myself included, all we're doing is we're sharing Tranont with you. What you choose to do after now is totally up to you. But if you're looking to build a business, a very lucrative business on the side, I think that this is it. I think that you would love what you see here with Tranont. We have a very, very generous compensation plan. I've been in the industry of network marketing for 16 years. By God's grace, I've made a few $1 million. So I understand a good compensation plan when I see it. those people who like me are $1 million earners in the industry. Regardless of where you put us, we are going to make money. But one thing I can tell all of you for a fact is the reason why 90% of people, I would say 95% of people have not made money in network marketing is because of the compensation plan. It's either not good or it is very, very difficult to even understand. So when you're confused about something, you do nothing. Tranon's comp plan is very easy, straight to the point. I'm going to explain it to you in the next few slides and you all will get it, and that's it. So there's several different ways to make money here in Tranon, John. If this makes sense to you today and you choose to get started with us, in your first 30 days, so by December 17th, John, if you have referred at least 3 associates to Tranon, you can refer 10 million. But if you referred at least 3 associates to Tranon and acquire 10 customers, either on our products or our services portfolio or a combination of both, John, you earn a $1,000 bonus. Now that's very lucrative because it's more than what it will cost you to even invest in Tranon in the first place. So in your first 30 days, you could pretty much be in the green. You would have recouped your initial investment. But John, what Tranon does that I love, you see, most home-based businesses run a bonus just like this one. We generally in the industry call it a quick start bonus. What I love about Tranon, Joe, is that every month that you refer at least 3 associates and get 10 customers in Tranon, you earn the $1,000 bonus. So if every month, Joe, you refer 3 associates to this company and get 10 customers, in 1 year, you can make an additional $12,000 just by doing that. Now that's very exciting. Number 2, Tranon pays a 50% commission on every new associate that joins your business with one of our starter packs, Lillian. So what does that mean? Looking up the first pack that you see up here, the 3 supplements and the coffee, well, we call that our energy and vitality pack, Lillian. It's $189. So I'm just going to round it up to say $190. Okay, Lillian? So let's say, Lillian, you put Lloyd on the webinar with us this evening. Lloyd is your neighbor. You guys work together. It's your brother, your sister. He loves what I'm sharing with us, and he chooses to get started with that pack. Well, Lillian, for you, the good news is as soon as he gets in the system, next week, next Friday, you get a commission of $90. So that's 50% commission off of the pack that Lloyd came in with. Now, Lloyd, I'm going to tell you guys something. Remember I told you I've made a few $1 million in the industry. This is my 16th year. That almost never happens. In most companies, Lloyd, what they'll say is, oh, Lillian, you just got started. King is the one that's spending the last hour talking to you about this business. She's the one that knows the information. She and everyone else in your upline. So yeah, we are going to pay a 90% commission to the field, but Lillian, you're only going to get $10. We're going to take the remaining $80 and split it amongst everyone in your upline. Rightfully so, nothing wrong with that. But when I saw Tranon, the second reason why I said yes to Tranon is because those of us who are top producers can make money anywhere, but the average person in network marketing never makes money for the same reason. So I love Tranon because whoever brings a new associate into the company gets the commission. Lloyd, you're Lillian's neighbor, you're her cousin, you guys work together. She put you on this webinar. It is only right that she gets the commission when you get started. So Lloyd comes in, refers Lucy, Mabel, Majid. Guess what? If all 3 of them come in with that same pack, Lloyd, you just made $90 times 3 for putting people on the webinar and having your uplines, an expert, present the business to them effectively. You guys see? So that was another reason why I love Tranon. Number 1, you can earn $1,000 in your first 30 days just by referring 3 people to the company and also getting 10 customers. Number 2, you earn a 50% commission every time that you refer someone to Tranon who comes in with one of these packs. Number 3, Tranon pays a 50% commission on every customer that you acquire. Now that's super exciting, Monique, because every product that the company you sell in the company attaches customer points to it. So Monique, you're on the webinar with us this evening. You're like, King, I love everything you said, but guess what? I don't care about that pyramid thing. I'm not here trying to harass my cousins, harass my colleagues, harass my neighbors. I don't want people going on the witness protection plan when they see my phone number. I ain't interested in that, King. But guess what, Monique? You understand the timing with CBD. You understand that the whole talk out there is that in the next 2 years, this industry, the CBD industry, is going to be worth about $30 billion. And you want a piece of that. So you come in here, Monique, you sign up today, and you're not interested in recruiting anybody, talking to nobody. You don't want none of that. As a matter of fact, you never put anybody on this webinar again with us. You're just interested in getting your website and selling your products, the CBD product. Well, guess what, Monique? You're also going to make money, because for every Soothe CBD product that you sell, I'm not even going to talk about Serene and Relief, but Soothe is the most popular one. For every one that you sell, you make a $37.50 commission. Nobody takes your money and splits it with any uplines. There's a different way that the uplines make money, and we're happy with that, okay? So Monique, you come in here today, and in November, you acquire 5 customers on Soothe. Well, that's an extra $187 commission. Might not sound like much, but I promise you it could pay some bills. But Monique, what if you go out there and you get 25 customers this month? So you build a book of CBD customers, just 25 of them. Well, you just made $937 extra income this month. I want to pause here and share something with all of you, right? Because when you look at $937, you think, that's good, but it's not good enough. Well, when you multiply that by 12 months, if every month Monique's customers are reordering, that's adding almost $11,500 extra income to your household just by building a book of 25 customers. Are you guys with me? So that's very exciting. Next thing that Trenon does is Trenon pays a 50% residual income on all of your customers. So Monique, you acquired those 25 customers this month. Well, guess what? If you never acquire any other customer, these 25 customers keep reordering. Every time that they reorder a bottle of Soothe, you get a 50% commission. Now that's huge. 50% residual income on all the customers that you would acquire. So Trenon's comp plan, in my opinion, is easy, very lucrative. You earn $1,000 for 3 and 10. You make 50% commission on every associate that comes in with a pack. You earn 50% commission on every customer you acquire, and you make a 50% residual income on your existing customer base. Next thing that this company does that is fascinating to me is the car allowance program. Most companies have a car program, but they always give it to the top executives in the company. Well, in Trenon, the very first level in Trenon, you can qualify for a Jeep allowance. When you come into Trenon today, Omono, if you come in and you refer Regine, Ruth, and Salome, once they start to build their business, as soon as their group volume equals 1,500 points, you hit the first level in Trenon called Jade. At that level, Trenon pays you a $350 Jeep allowance. So you go out and get your Jeep, send in the paperwork, and every month they send you a $350 allowance. Now, I know you're saying, King, 1,500 points, what's the catch? Well, in dollars, that's like saying your group is selling products and even services worth about $2,500 every month for you to get the car allowance. So in closing, as you're listening to me this evening, I'm sure you're thinking, should I do this spare time, part-time, or full-time? Well, I love the portfolio because there's something in it for everyone. I mean, if you're looking to do it spare time and make just about $1,000, we got you. For those of you who are looking to build part-time with us, you can earn up to $5,000 a month. And for those of you that want to build full-time with us, our full-time income earners here make 6 figures every year, okay? And these are the levels in Trenon. That first level is called Jade, $350 car allowance, $250 for the team that you're putting together. So Jades in Trenon make a minimum of $600 every month. Just to give you an idea, last month alone in my organization, 41 partners who started last month in October, in 30 days, we had 41 people hit Jade. So they qualified for their Jeeps. And for me, it's just an incredible blessing and an excitement when I see them posting pictures of themselves in front of their Jeeps as they're beginning to acquire them in my WhatsApp chat group. That just keeps me smiling, okay? So we're already, today is November 17th. We already have 10 people in my group that have already hit that Jade level. And I know many more are going to hit that before the end of the month. So for those of you who are looking at this, you can come in here today, and by next week or by the end of the month, you will be Jade, already qualified for your Jeep, and start to make $600 extra residually every single month as your team keeps doing 1,500 in group volume every month. Next level is Pearl. Now, from the Pearl level upwards, the company increases your Jeep allowance from $350 to $500. And then, of course, $500 for the team that you put together. So Pearls in Trenon earn about $1,000 minimum every month. The next level is Ruby. So from this point onwards, what you guys see is when you come in and you set your initial group of 3 people, all that Trenon counts after that to promote you through these ranks is the group volume that's accumulating under these 3 people. That's all they need. For me, that's very exciting because no one promotes you but you, okay? So it's an even playing field. So once your group volume gets to 10,000, you're a Ruby. Rubies in Trenon make a minimum of $2,000 a month, plus the 50-50-50 commissions. The next level is Sapphires. Sapphires in Trenon make $5,000 minimum a month, plus the extra 50-50-50. And then we have the Emerald position, which is our first 6-figure elite position in the company. Emirates in Trenon make a minimum of $9,500 a month. So that's literally a 6-figure income position right there. At the top of our compensation is the diamond rank. We have black, red, and blue diamond. Diamonds in Trenon, of course, with hard work, commitment, dedication, focus, passion. This is not absolutely in any way, shape, or form a get-rich-quick scheme. You're going to get exactly what you put into this business, okay? So diamonds in Trenon make $17,000 minimum a month. Black diamonds, 25. So just looking at the black diamond position, ladies and gentlemen, that's a $300,000 a year position. Red diamonds make $65,000 a month. 65 times 12 is $720,000 a year position. And blue diamonds in Trenon make $135,000 a month. That translates into 1.5 million, $60,000 a year position. Just to give you an idea, we do have individuals at every level on this comp plan in Trenon. We have a blue diamond in Trenon right now. It took them about 2 years to become blue diamonds. So here's my $1 million question to all of you on the webinar. What if it takes you 5 years? What if you join us today and we all go to work, roll up our sleeves and build with Trenon, okay? What if it takes you 5 years to get to blue diamond? As a matter of fact, what if it takes you 7 years to get to blue diamond? Would that be okay? I think it's okay. Because do the math. All of us on this webinar has been working for at least 20 years. Are you making $1 million yet? No. But I promise you, if this is resonating with you and you bring the same discipline, the same intensity, the same focus, the same commitment and dedication that you give to your jobs, if you bring that same work ethics here, in the next 7 years, if you hit blue diamond, that's a $1.5 million position. So I'm super excited because we do have people that are really living this comp plan at every level. Trenon says you can get to Pearl, Ruby, Sapphire, or Emerald whenever you want. But for those of you who get to Pearl within 90 days, you get an additional $2,000 bonus. If you make it to Ruby within 4 months, you get an additional $5,000 bonus. If you get to Sapphire within 6 months, you get a $10,000 bonus. And if you get to Emerald in a year, you get a $20,000 bonus. So just in bonuses alone, you can pick up an additional $37,000. And I'm proud to say that in this group, we already have people who have picked up all of those bonuses in more than record time. We have Miss Doris Anoke out of New York who hit a Sapphire in 90 days. Trenon says if you do it in 6 months, you get a $10,000 bonus. Well, she blazed through Pearl and Ruby within 30 days and hit a Sapphire within 90 days. So picked up all the bonuses. We also have Mr. Ohini, who became an emerald in 80 days in the company. So picked up all of those bonuses in 80 days. Trenon says if you do it in 1 year, we give you all of these bonuses. He just flat out did it in 80 days. And there's also someone in the company in California who did it in 60 days, got to emerald in 60 days. So everybody, I'm telling you guys, it's an even playing field. If you come in here and put in the work, the energy, the effort, well, guess what? The sky is your beginning, okay? So what is it gonna cost you to get started? A $99 associate fee. A business with such an incredible upside potential, and the fee, your license fee to join Trenon, associate fee, $99, plus you pick any one of the packages that you see here. Now, we recommend the all-in pack. 90% of people that join our team come in with the all-in pack. It just makes business sense because you get every product that Trenon has in our portfolio with the exception of the CBD. And then those extra 10% aggressive, go, no nonsense, go getting people, they add the CBD pack to the all-in pack. So even at that, it's only gonna cost you about, if you add both everything on the portfolio, it'll be $599 plus $248 for the CBD products. And that's about $867 plus shipping for you to get started. I tell you something, you know, a few years ago, in my case, I was working for Wells Fargo Bank and I needed extra income. I saw that opportunity. It was $499 to get started with no product. But here's what I said to myself. I said, King, if you've been working for this many years and you don't have that money to get started, it's a problem. You need to find that money and get started, because if you keep working the same job and having the same expenses and expecting something to change, you're crazy. So I remember my friend who invited us there, Roland, my husband's friend, he loaned me the money to get started because I didn't have it. From paying bills and everything else, you end up with nothing. But that was the best decision I ever made. And I never close a presentation without letting you guys know this. If you have been working for more than 5 years in America and you don't have $1,000 today to get started with this business, but you're feeling in your spirit, you like what you hear, you're feeling it in your spirit, you know that this is about to become a big deal, but you don't have $1,000 to get started, you need to beg, borrow, find the money and get started. Because just like I realized 16 years ago, as I was working for Wells Fargo Bank as a database administrator, that if I kept doing the same thing, 10 years down the road, I would still be in a position where I would see an opportunity and will not have $1,000 to get started. Are you guys with me? Because I want you to really think about it. How can you have worked for this long, but you don't have $1,000 to invest in a business? That's why you're on this webinar with us this evening, so that we can fix that and put you in a place where with that initial investment, hard work, commitment, passion, dedication, we can get you to at least an emerald position in the next 2 years. That's a $9,500 position every single month. You'll be in business for yourself, but not by yourself, because we're a team, okay? We will help you, but of course, we're not going to do it for you. You're going to participate in your own rescue. If it makes sense, once you get started, ask whoever put you on this webinar to send me your number so I could put you in our WhatsApp forum. I communicate there every single day. I do these webinars every Tuesday, Thursday, 8 p.m. Eastern, 7 p.m. Central. I think that's 5 p.m. Pacific. And then I also do it on Saturday at about 11 a.m. in the morning, 10 a.m. Central, and 8 a.m. Oh, that's 8 a.m. Pacific. I always mess up that time, right? Pacific time. Well, those of you out there in the West Coast, okay? So I do this every Tuesdays and Thursdays and every Saturday mornings. The reason why I do this is because I want to give everyone an opportunity to put in your guess so that they can make an informed decision. We understand that when you get started, you don't have all of the information yet. So we make ourselves available via Zoom. Everyone can now get in on the Zoom webinar. So as long as you're good at putting in your guess, well, guess what? We're going to present the opportunity to them in a way that it makes sense to them. Like hopefully it has made sense to many of you this evening. And then of course, on Sunday nights, I do a team training. And as you guys are advancing in leadership positions, I do different kinds of training. We also do a Super Saturday. Once every month, we pick different days. Myself and other leaders in our group, the Legacy Builders, we do a Super Saturday event. We start from, I think, 2 o'clock and all day till about 6. We go through different trainings, people who are living the compensation plan, who are successful in it. Now, and for those of you ladies, well, everyone is welcome. Tomorrow, we have our ladies event. So myself, Emerald Erica Vosbeck, and also our Diamond, Miss Veronica Singh, and Patty Maronian, a Diamond out of New York. We are going to be doing another webinar tomorrow evening. I'm going to post that information in the WhatsApp chat group. I'm going to post it on Facebook. So grab that and put all your guests. Now, tomorrow is going to be great. Tomorrow, we're just going to do a health fair. So we're not going to put the compensation plan part of it. I just shared that with you. That's what we do on Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. But it's going to be a health information session. We're going to go deeper into all of those products that I shared with you so that people can learn about how to take control of their health and their wellness. So I want to thank you so much for your time. What I want to do now is if you have any questions, you can raise your hand so I can unmute you. You can ask your questions. But what I want to do is I want to look through the list and have you guys hear from some people who are doing really well. I talked about Miss Doris Anoche out of New York. Doris, if you're on, can you unmute yourself so that she can give a testimonial? You know, Doris is out of the New York market. She came in 90 days ago, is already a sapphire with the company doing some amazing things. So Doris, if you're there, oh yay, I see you, yay. Okay, Doris. Doris,
wow.
can you hear me?
It's been amazing. Thank you.
I know we started with that technical difficulty, so.
I know.
Okay.
And we thank God for this opportunity. I don't know where to start and what to do. But I give God all the glory and adoration for this great opportunity He have given to us. But one thing I'll tell everybody, grab this opportunity and run with it. I keep telling all my team, because we have been in the previous industry and we know how very it is. And anybody who have done any network marketing, you can see that it's the easiest one that you can grab and run with it. I joined this company 31st July. I was in another company. And I joined this one, and I look at the compensation plan and I saw that this is amazing. So I jump into it. I jump into it with all my family. And it has been a great journey. And I don't know what to say. The products are excellent. The products are amazing. Tonight, I got a customer that was my first customer that I really want to see how the product works. This woman cannot walk. She walked with a cane. So I gave her the product and I told her, you just don't pay me. Wait for you to see any improvement, then you can pay me my money. And lo and behold, she called me within 2 weeks and told me, all the products you gave me is finished. Please, can you give my husband double the product you gave her, because where I am in living and my husband don't want to come there often. I said, wow, which means it's a very good news. And today she called me for her brother and a sister in a rehab for me to give them the product. I'm really amazed and I'm so happy that I got a good product that is helping people, changing people's life. My brothers and sisters, I'm telling you, this is amazing. I am a nurse, a single mother with 5 children. I go to work in my car in the morning. In the night, I change my uniform in my car, drive to another hospital, work in the ER, and go home in the morning. Do I go home? No. I go home and drive a taxi to make an income, because I don't want any of my children on the street. And 3 of them are in college at the same time. So I really need to work hard. I'm telling you, the money that I saw yesterday and today, I'm now going from crazy to, I don't know what I'm going to say myself. I can't even sleep. I breathe Trenor. I sleep Trenor. I do everything Trenor because it's an amazing. I work and go home with a check of $240 because I took money from my TDA and I do. So they have to, if you don't do overtime and the check comes, it's like nothing. So for me to work 3 months and earn almost 30,000 from the day I started up to now.
Wow.
It's an amazing.
Wow.
I'm telling you guys, I know doctors that I work with them. And upon all those I sell jewelry, I do all kind of things. And they come to me to borrow money. And I tell them, you are a physician. Why are you borrowing my money? She said, Doris, don't talk. Don't let anybody hear it. I'm paying my student loan.
Wow.
This is amazing. This morning I was telling a lady in Rhode Island, even if I have to put $3,000 down to register all my family, and now look at the money I'm making. Is it worth it? Or
yeah,
it's worth it?
yeah.
So what I'll tell you guys is, let's grab this opportunity, build it in the right way.
Yes.
I said what? Build it in the right way. Because
Yes.
I was a senior vice president with Kin in another network marketing, and we know what it is. So when
Yeah.
we are telling you to build it in the right way, we know what we are saying. I want to build a legacy for my children.
Yeah.
To come and end this company, enjoy it. So it's good. Trenor is very strict, and I like how their policies are.
Yeah.
Today I was trying to register a reverend father, and I was having troubles. I called Trenor in and out, until I registered the reverend. The reverend looked at me. She said, "Can you show me what to do tomorrow?" I said, "Give me the time. I will be there." He looked at me and he said, "Wow, I like how you work." That is me. I'm very determined. And if I want something, I go for it. Please, let all of us don't look back. Anybody that somebody have invited you to this company, one day you will go back to the person and thank the person.
Yeah.
Thank you, King. Thank you for the day that you called me and told me about Trenor. I will never forget it. I owe you a big time. And everybody, let's grab this company and run with it. Thank you.
Absolutely, Doris. You tell the story about today. For me, it's really a blessing to have people join us, and almost I would say 75% of people in the team have made money, which is really good. Anyone who works gets paid. But tell them about what happened when you were trying to deposit your check today, when you called me this morning. That was hilarious. Your bonus.
Last week, I got my $5,000 and I deposited it. And yesterday, I said, let me open my mailbox and take my this thing. And lo and behold, I got my 7,000. I said, whoa. I opened it and I called one of my friends in Maryland, one of my team in Maryland. And I showed it to her. She said, oh, sis, I'm so proud of you. I'm so happy for you. And today, I have somebody coming from Brooklyn. Associate brought a rep from our former company. So when he came, I tried to sign my back behind. I don't want to give them a check that they will say is fake and all those. So I signed the check and I was doing mobile banking. So I was depositing it on my bank, my phone. And the thing says, you cannot deposit more than 5,000 on mobile phone. So I have to go back to the bank and I said, oh my goodness, I want to keep the check to show people that it's doable. So one thing I want to say is anybody, I am really very coachable. Anything King tells me, I do it. And anything I'm going to do, I call her to ask her opinion. Don't say that you are a doctor, you are a nurse, you are a what. Everybody know how they does the system and it works for them. Yeah. And I thank God I listen to King. So all my team, all our team, we are telling you, we are ready for you. I tell my team, if you call me 1 a.m., I will come to your rescue.
Yep.
I remember ending of this month when we were closing, one of my team have 75 group volume to close a position. I wake them up, the husband and wife. I said, you guys should get up. I need your credit card. We have to close. We have to finish this thing. And in the morning, they thanked me. Last week, they picked their Jeep.
Wow.
And it was amazing. Now I have about 5 Jeeps in Maryland, Virginia and Maryland. And they are so excited. The team is going. So anybody in the team, we are ready to help you. Yeah. If you give us the chance, we will help you. We want you to get the testimony we are saying. We don't want to enjoy it alone. We want to enjoy with the team.
Absolutely.
Teamwork is very good. So everybody, we are ready. Anybody can call us, we will help them. Thank you.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Doris. We're super proud of you and the whole New York team and looking forward to more testimonials of success coming out of you guys. Dr. V out of Canada, I see you're on. Are you in a place where you can talk? If so, I would love for you to give us a testimonial. Guys, Dr. Vera is out of Canada, and she and the group out there, Alliance, Angela, they're all doing so well out there in Canada. I cannot wait for the company to establish in Canada. Dr. V is a Ruby in the company. Less than 90 days, she became a Ruby with the company. I've never done any network marketing before. This is her very first time and having that kind of success. So Dr. Vera, I don't know if you're able to unmute. Please unmute yourself and share something with the group. So while she's thinking about muting, Gloria, I see you have a question. Can you unmute and ask the question? And Dr. Vera, if you're available, can you please, in a quiet area, can you also unmute? Hey, Gloria. Gloria, I see your hand is up. Do you have a question?
My question is, you did not tell us how much the products are. If you want to sell to somebody, how much each product is.
Okay,
and great. How much commission you get? Is it the 50%?
Yes. So for every product that you sell, you make a 50% commission. Okay. Once you get started, you don't need to worry about that. Once you get started, you're going to have all of that in your website. So as soon as you sign up, you're going to have a website, and on that website, all of the prices and everything will be there.
Okay.
Okay, but all the supplements are either $45, or we just have about 2 of them that are $50 for the month supply, and then the CBD products are different. But as soon as you sign up, all of that is going to be on your website. And then I do the team training on Sunday, and you come up to speed.
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you. So you said that.
Ohini, if you're on, can you give us a testimonial? Mr. Ohini. Okay, good. Dr. Vera says she's in a very noisy area. She can't speak. So that's fine, Dr. Vera. Ohini, Emerald in 80 days. Ohini, I don't know if you're in an area where you can unmute yourself and speak. If you are, please, can you unmute and share your testimonial with us?
Yes, Ken, I'm here.
Yay.
I'm here.
Awesome.
I'm so excited. Sister Doris has already dropped everything. In fact, Sister Doris, thank you. You have done an amazing job. And we are on this journey together. And Ken, we can never say anything without thanking you, especially your kind of leadership that you're giving out there for us, and the trainings, that your help that you're giving us. We do appreciate it. And we hope you continue to hold the entire team, even though it's getting big, but we're still going to lean on it. None of us is going to fall. So we are all going together. And we will promise to help you as we have joined as a team to do everything together. So please don't get tired on us. We're going to fall. We're going to do everything that it takes, because we want each and everyone. We want to celebrate everybody. So each one that is joining the team, we are going to celebrate you until we stop. That implies there won't be an end, because every day in, day out, people are joining the team. So we are going to celebrate this thing together. And guys, as Sister Doris has already said, this product is must-use product. We are not into selling. None of us. I don't know if some people are selling. Yes, maybe 1 or 2 things, because if some people come to you that they can't do the business, they just want to use the products for themselves, there's nothing wrong to sell the products to them, as we're doing one here and there. But we are using the product. So if you are here, if you're an associate and you're not using the product, please go back and start using your product, so that you will get to know, you will get to feel what it takes, so that you can be able to tell people about the great product that we have our hands on. Secondly, the money aspect is crazy. As Sister Doris just mentioned, I got my $7,000 check yesterday.
Whoa!
In fact, my cousin took the check. When I came home, he had already opened up the check. Say, when he saw the check, matter of fact, beginning when I started the train-on, I was trying to invite him to the business, and he said, oh, he's tired of doing it. So he didn't want to do any network marketing anymore. I said, okay, I can't force you. But lo and behold, we live to see. So I knew one day he was going to wake up. When I brought home the new car, which is the Jeep, it energized him, and then he joined Train-On. So when I came home, he told me, oh, when he saw the check, he just wanted to see if it's true that Train-On gives the money. So he opened up the check. So he told me, oh, I opened up the check. It's not accidentally. I just literally opened up the check to see. And I asked him, so what did you see over there? He said, wow. I was in shock. I said, what did you see? Is it one of the bigger ones? He said, yeah. I said, let me see. I saw it. It was 7,000. I said, yeah, it's good. But you know, some of them are bigger than this. He said, what? I said, yes, some of them are bigger than this. So guys, it's amazing. Talking about Trinon Complan, I never see, I've been around different businesses. I never see any of the company that have a good product and at the same time a good complan. Normally, their complan is good, their product is not good. Or the product is good and their complan is not good. But in Trinon, we have both. So tonight, I'm not going to take much time. It's doable, but it takes an effort. You cannot relax. Sometimes I speak, that I feel like I'm tired. But guess what? Do I stop? No. When the calls comes, I still answer them. So guys, what I'm saying is that those of you who are not an associate yet, and you are here tonight listening to our testimonies, it's real. It sounds too good to be true. But yes, we are a living testimony. A few hours ago, I was talking to Auntie Herida in Atlanta, and I asked her, "Have you ever checked your commission side on your website?" He said, "I see the check, the physical check. So why do I have to go there?" And I said, "No. Sometimes it feels good, so I sometimes open up my website and open to the commission side and just look at it, stay and see what is going on over there. And it makes me happy. It's excites me. And it gives me courage to call more people into the business because I knew when I call people like that, I'm going to help a family to be able to get their hands in something that can help them on their health. And at the same time, it will give them money. So guys, those who are new here, those who are coming on board, you are on the right place. You are joining a right family because we are family here. There's no difference in me. There's no difference in Ken. There's no difference in Sophia. There's no difference in Mary. There's no difference in Nana Hima. We are all one. There's no difference in Dr. Vera. There's no difference in Sister Judy. We are all one here. We're working together. So since you are on board, or since you guys are coming on board, I really want to welcome you guys officially. And we're looking forward to work with you and to help one another till we can celebrate the success of each one here tonight. Ken, I don't have much to say. All I'm saying that they should come in and feel or enjoy both health and the wealth. Thank you.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Mr. Ohini. You guys are doing such a phenomenal job out there in New York. We're super proud of you guys and just grateful for your leadership. And I know that we're all just getting started. It is nothing better than servant leadership. And I'm just glad that all of us are here together and are fitting into the Trinon culture and all looking to leave, a legacy and an impact in the footprints of time. So thank you so much. I can't wait to come out here to New York. It's unbelievable how much has changed in just the last 90 days. I mean, how many Jeeps do we have now in New York? What, five, seven? I can't even remember. But I know that we're just getting started. Judith out of Columbus, Ohio, another Sapphire in our group, Miss Trailblazer. Judith, I don't know if you're in an environment where you can speak. If you can you unmute yourself and let's close out the webinar? I know Judith is a boss lady. She's always working with her employees. So I'm just trying to see if she has a chance to say something. Judith, are you in a place where you can say something? If you can, please unmute yourself and let's close out the webinar. And I want to thank all of you for your time. If there are any other questions while Judith is thinking about unmuting, if she can you raise your hand and ask me a question? But I'm super excited. Remember, we're back on here again on Thursday at 8 p.m. Eastern, 7 p.m. Central and 5 p.m. Pacific. And I promise you, I'm going to be in a better environment. So the internet should not be a problem then. Okay. Alrighty. So, ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank you all so much for your time. God bless you. Get back with whoever put you on this webinar. Let them know that you're ready to get started. Once you get started, you are going to get your own personal website right away and your associate ID number. They will also include you to the WhatsApp forum. They'll let me know and we can add you to our team WhatsApp forum where we all communicate. So I'm super excited about what's about to happen. If there was ever a time to get started with Trellat, it'll be today. It'll be right now. Position yourselves just before the Black Friday promotions are announced, and just now that we're all taking off at the same time. Again, I want to stress the fact that even though you're going to be signing up for your own personal business, you're not going to be in business by yourself. We're all going to be here to support you. And I promise you, this is not as hard as trying to get a degree. If you're coachable, teachable, you're open to learning new things, you're in the right place at the right time. And I'm looking forward to growing with all of you. So thank you for your time. God bless you. And the webinar is officially over.